Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. This is an absolutely beautiful, ground-up, new build, ultra-modern architecture, and this particular room is the one that there are the most of in the resort. This is a Deluxe Ocean View, and it comes in both the preferred and non-preferred varieties. I'll talk about some of the differences as we go throughout the tour, but follow along as I show you this room. So as soon as you walk in the door here, you've got your temperature control to the left, and right here you have your storage. You've got shelves up and down here. You've got your steamer and your hair dryer, also a scale. I try to stay away from that. But right here you've got your safe as well. I just wanted to point out the robes. So every single room has the robes. They're really comfy. They have hoods. They're like hoodies, and it's kind of like wearing a ultra soft sweatshirt. So nice little touch. You also have your golf umbrella and your slippers. So follow me into the bathroom. You've got the toilet here on the right. You've got your large double vanity. I always appreciate that. And if you were in the preferred club version of this, you're gonna have a much larger amenity kit. You've got your magnifying mirror that's backlit right there and a little stool to sit and get ready. So follow me into the shower. Right here, you've got a really large rainforest shower head up above. Plenty of clearance for me, I appreciate that. Right here, you've got a shower wand, and then you have a nice bench seat in here. You're also gonna get the upgraded bath amenities, once again, for the preferred club. So now we're into the bedroom, and on the side of the bed, you have 2 US plugs and 2 USB. Being a brand new ultra-modern resort, you have all the plugs that you could possibly need in the room, much appreciated. Right here, you're going to have your tablet. This is a great feature in the room because you can check out all the information on the hotel, different times, menus, things along those lines. But in addition to that, you can actually order your room service right on here. I love doing that, and then it's just delivered right to your door. You can also use it to set the alarm and other features as well, but just a nice little extra convenience. So as we continue around the king size bed, I wanted to point out you have storage above and below here. You also have this nice bag that you can keep if you're in the preferred club variety. And then under here, you've got a chair. Pulls out, so that turns into a little writing desk, and then you have your large flat panel TV that is a smart TV. Continuing on to the other side of the bed, you have 2 US plugs and 2 USB, and they have all of the different switches right here for all the lights, including the switch for the fan, a nice little touch that I think is really great because you always have the air moving in here. All of the deluxe suites come with the option of either king or 2 queen beds. And in addition to that, there's several different configurations where you can put them together to have a larger family suite that can sleep up to 8. So at the foot of your bed, you're gonna have storage underneath here. You're also gonna have your mini bar. It is fully stocked, and they'll replenish that as often as you like during your stay. You also have your Nespresso maker, and they've got the Nespresso mods, and they'll replace those as often as you like as well. Now continuing on through the space, you have your couch right here. This is a pull-out sofa couch, and then you also have the coffee table, perfect for maybe breakfast in the morning or a quick coffee. So as I head out to the balcony, I just wanted to point out that these doors push back all the way. Put that, and when you push this back, you get a really nice indoor-outdoor flow here. You've got a table, 2 chairs, another perfect place to have some of that room service. And then this really cool couch over here in the corner. It's of the beanbag variety and pretty comfy to take in. Wow, beautiful turquoise, amazing views. So when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the products inside and out. We have a fantastic relationship with them, and we know that we can work with you and your friends and family to create the vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.